James went shopping with a sum of money. He visited 2 shops and found a jacket he liked on a sale at each of the shops. The jackets each had the same original price before discount, so which means both the jackets original price will be at that same 100%. Okay? Shop A had lesser discount, shop B had more discount. Now, he discovered he would need another $3.50 if he were to buy the jacket at shop A. In the end, he bought the jacket from shop B instead and received $2 change. Part A was the original price of the jacket he bought. Part B, how much money did Mark go shopping with? Now, it's important to understand that both of these jackets, the original price is same at 100%. And he did not have enough money to buy from shop A because he needed another $3.50. However, with his actual amount of money, he bought from shop B and he got extra money left, $2 change. So this question, right, can actually be solved by effective model drawings and a good understanding of the percentage concepts. So let me explain. What we'll do is we'll draw 3 models. One is for shop A, one is for shop B, another one is for James's actual amount of money. So we'll start with shop A first, and then shop B, and then the actual money here. So for shop A, the original will be 100%. Okay, we duplicate this for shop B because they are the same. Both are 100% original. However, right, for shop A, the discount is... What's Daisy? The discount for shop A is lesser as compared to shop B. So for shop A, the discount is only 15%. So perhaps we'll draw it here. And for shop B is more discount. Perhaps we'll draw it here. Alright, so for shop A, the final discounted percentage, it will be 100%, take away 15%. That will be 85%. This is for shop A. And for shop B, 100%, take away 20%. 80%, this will be for shop B. Alright, so what we'll do now is we will draw our percentages in the model. So this section here will be 85%. This section here will be 80%. Okay, which means the balance, we can also find that out. This will be 15% discount. And over here will be 20% discount. Okay, now take note. This person does not have enough money to buy from shop A. So his actual amount of money, right, must be lesser than this red box here. But it has to be more than this second red box. Why? Because he does not have enough to buy from shop A. But he has slightly more money for shop B as well. So if he buys from shop B, there will be extra $2 for him. Okay, so now we try and draw a model for the actual amount, which has to be in between these two amounts. Let's draw a square properly. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, so if he buys it from shop B, right, he will have $2 left. Okay, so if you trace this upwards, trace upwards, trace the $2 upwards as well, trace. $2 will be here, $2 will be here. Okay, now if he decides to buy from shop A, right, shop A's price is here. So if you trace this down, this is shop A's price, trace down as well, he will need another, how much? He will need another $3.50. Which means, right, if you trace the 350 upwards, okay, let me just draw a 350 again. So if you trace the 350 upwards, it will be here in this box as well. It will be here in this box as well, right? Which tells us that the difference between these two red boxes, here and here, 85% minus 80%, that will be equals to this value here, which is $5.50. Okay, let me write down and then I'll repeat the explanation again. So 85% take away 80%, that will be 5%. Now what's the value of 5%? So again, look at this red box here. This is 85%. This is 80%. So when we do a subtraction, we will get this section here, which is 5%, which is $2 plus $3.50. So 5% is $2 plus $3.50, which is $5.50. Okay, and then we want to find the original price. That will be 100%. So how to find 100%? You can just times by 20. Let's do the same thing on this side also. Okay, so times 20 here, and you'll have 550 times 20. I believe that will be $110. Okay, $110. This is the final answer for part A. Okay. Now in part B, they're asking us how much money did Mark go shopping with. Okay, it shouldn't be Mark, it should be James, because James is the original person. Okay. Now, how much money did he go shopping with? Now we know that this is his amount of money over here. This is the question mark. So what we need to do is find 80% of the original price and then plus the change that he got, which is $2. So 80% of original is $110. So 80 out of 100 times $110. This will be $88. And don't forget, he paid $88 for the shirt, for the jacket at shop A, and he got $2 change. So you add that $2 back, and you'll have an answer of $90 for this question.